This is a setup for index of refraction, right? And basically what they're going to do is just make some measurements here. Use inverse tangent to figure out what the angle of incidence and angle of refraction is. And I just set up this laser. Got a solid state laser. And what I try to do is get it to hit the water close to this edge and hit that corner, like go down and hit like right there, okay? And then what they can do is they can take a ruler and they can see the little spot where it hits the water, and they can measure how far over it hits the water, so they know this distance, and then they can measure this distance, right? And with those two distances, they can figure out the angle of refraction, right? And then to figure out the angle of incidence, I make this little right angle thing here. They can measure from the corner, right? And what you do is you get this about so that it's the laser's hitting the bottom here at 15, right? And then if it's hitting there at 15, where does it hit there, right? And they can measure that and that. With those two distances, they can figure out the angle of incidence. And if you do it carefully, you get, about 1.31 or whatever, which I think is very close to the index of refraction of water.